Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and this is how to hide a calendar and why you would want to do that. So I have access to a lot of different calendars, but I don't want to see them all the time because if I see them all the time, then what I'm looking at becomes too jumbled. There's too many events on each day and I can't focus. So I only view certain calendars when I need something off of them. Specifically, a room reservation calendar or an athletic event calendar or a fundraiser calendar. Those are things that we don't need to see every day, only when it's necessary. So, for instance, down in my other calendars, I have holidays in the United States. If I need to see that, then there's a check next to it. It's solid. If I don't want to see those events, all I have to do is click on it and they're going to go away. The calendar itself does not disappear. It's not deleted. Those events just go away until I need to see them. And when it's time, I click on that again and those are going to come right back up. So think about when you have a lot of calendars, maybe hiding some of them, some of the events for then, just so you can focus on the events that are important.